What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to count the number of words in your Google Doc document. Guys, if you'll find this useful, go ahead and give this video a like, and if you're seeing the channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Now, how do we go about doing that, guys? As you can see, I have a text document here, and I'm going to simply go ahead and make a few duplicates of the amount of text here. So I'm going to make it twice, as you can see, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that we count how many words this is. So in order to do this, all you have to do, guys, you want to click on Tools from the menu option here, and you simply want to click on Word Count. And there's a shortcut for it as well, as it says Control Shift and C. It will do the same thing. So click on the word count. And as you can see here, it's telling you how many pages, how many words it is, how many characters there is, how many characters, excluding spaces. This is more accurate for some people. And as well, you can also display this on your page as well. So if you click on this, click OK, you will have it right down here on the left hand side, the amount of words. So this is if you're writing and you like to stay within a certain word range, you're able to see how much you're writing so that you can manage that very easily without have to come in all the way up to Tools each time and go to word count to see. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you count the number of words in a Google Doc document by using word count. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.